There are lots of reasons your dishwasher might not be draining properly, but the simplest to solve is a blocked pump rotor. So before trying anything else, let's have a go at fixing that. Starting by removing the racks, the filter and the lower rotor, before shipping out as much water as possible into a bowl, a small measuring scoop ideal for the job, as we can get it right down to the bottom. And any water that's left we can soak up with a sponge, squeezing it out into our bowl. For clarity's sake, I've used clean water for my demo, but in real life it'll be much dirtier, and it's good to get out as much as possible so you can see what you're doing. You may also want to wear gloves. With the water out of the way, we can see the plastic pump cover towards the front of the drain, which we want to remove. We can ignore the bit at the back and leave that well alone. Then with the tip of a small screwdriver, we want to find the catch just next door to that tall bit and release it, allowing the pump cover to lift out, revealing the rotor behind. And it's this we want to check, making sure it can rotate freely, and there's no debris, a bit of grape stalk, shard of crockery or glass, preventing it from turning, removing anything that might be causing a blockage, before replacing the cover, sliding it down and clipping into place. And fingers crossed, problem solved. Of course, it could easily not be, with something else being the problem, but as it's so easy, it's always a good place to start.